Welcome, all my YouTube friends. We are on day number 20 of the July challenge of ChantalTV. We are at one of my favorite places in Paris, Palais Royal. It's a domain, so let's check it out. We start at Restaurant Vivo, and maybe you remember that one from Emily in Paris, the TV series on Netflix, where she made the wrong reservations for the wrong day. But anyway, here we go. Restaurant Vivo, and let's go walk into the jardin, in the garden. Oh, they must be filming down there. Should we just check if they're filming down there? Because it looks like it. Wow, that was like the most tight security I've ever seen around a movie set or film set or TV series set. So I'm nearly 100% sure it was Emily in Paris. The shooting here in the middle of Palais Royal, but they were basically following me, making sure I was not filming anything. Which is hilarious. I feel like a criminal if I'm like stealing content. Well, you know me guys, I would do that. Anyway, let's continue looking at Palais Royal. On my right hand side we have the Daniel Buren on the Deux Plateaux. Here we go. The most controversial art that was created in this beautiful 17th century square, and voila, I love it. I absolutely adore it. Oh, and lots of people drawing. It's an Instagram heaven here, or an influencer heaven, or YouTubers. What can we do? You see? Romantique. But let's check out my favorite spot of this square. The shiniest and biggest, shiniest balls of Paris. And it is a fountain, and they do move. I see one moving there. Let me just go closer so you can see what it is about. Oh, there it moves. Oh, and this one also. So it's super cool. It's a fountain, and it's created by a Belgian artist, and his name is actually on the side here, and he's called Paul Berry, and the fountain is from 1985. And there you see me. You see me? Not even sure if you can see me. Yoo-hoo! And there's a second set there on the other side. Oh wow, there's people on the roof. It's really hot today in Paris. It is a sort of a heat wave, not completely. It's warm, let's say it that way. It's warm. They're still following me around, so it is not very relaxed to film here. But anyway, let's just walk through the gallery. Here we have a pop-up store on the right hand side. Store owners must go crazy with all the people that film around here. And then from underneath here you can also go underneath the trees. which is very, very cool. Like cool in the way of it gives you cool air, not I am cool under the trees. And my camera is getting very warm. That must be a problem if you live in a very warm country. I love the wide angle camera, the wide angle lens. So normally you can just go wherever you like in this park. Just today we're filming. And why are American productions loving to film here? It is because it's so cheap to hire the locations. Basically the French government, or Paris as well, the Paris city, they let films and productions, if it is like for good publicity, they let them film here. They just block half the park off and act like I'm a criminal. Let's move to another location. It's too uncomfortable at the moment to show this around. I will come back here another day and we will film a little bit more.